Alright, hey guys, my name is Caedmon and welcome to my channel. Today we're opening the Pokemon trading card game Zacian tin. I am going to be lumping this together with a couple previously filmed videos where I opened the Grookey and Sobble tins, so if you want to see those, keep on watching. But this is the first one that I'll be opening for today. So once you open this up, everything comes encased in this plastic. Which I always like to point out is recyclable. It's type 1, so I always set that aside. They come with one of these little download codes so that you can use for the online trading card game. That's only really available if you have an iPad that can run the newest iOS, which I do not, but I save them in case one day I do. And for the first card is the one that you'll see in the window of the tin, which is V Zacian. So that's really nice to have. It has a little bit of hollow on there. And then you get 5 booster packs. So you get Rebel Clash, another Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and XY Evolutions. So I always like to start with XY Evolutions, so let's see what we get in here. Alright, so here we have Onyx, Fairy Energy, which is odd because Fairy didn't exist in Gen 1, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Kakuna Hollow, Mega Pidgeot, so that is a cool one to have. I'm excited to have that. Double Colorless Energy, and Nidorino. Next up, we'll do the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash booster packs. I don't know if it's just me, but these are always really hard to open. Okay, up first we have Toxel, Applin, Galarian Darumaka, Bunnelby, Vulpix, Toxtricity, which I don't have yet, so I'm happy to have that, Seismitoad, Grass Energy, Charjabug, Skuntank, and a full heal. For the next Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, let's get into this one. For this pack we have Honedge, Tympole, Vullaby, Galarian Corsola, another Toxel, Greedent, which has a nice hollow on there, Diggersby, Electric Energy, Lombre, Hawlucha, and Indeedee. This is the female Indeedee. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Let's see what we get in this guy. Alright, in this pack we have Duskull, Tynamo, Cutiefly, Riolu, Rhyhorn, Sneasel, which has a little bit of a hollow, Scolipede, Grass Energy, Metapod, and Lana. Oh, and Electabuzz. And now we have our last booster pack, Sword and Shield. In this pack we get Silicobra, Blipbug, Goldeen, Yamper, Skorupi, Cufant with a bit of hollow. Ooh, Galarian Rapidash. I don't have one of those either. Fire Energy, Hyper Potion, and a Citrus Berry, and Corvisquire. Alright, so those are all of the cards that I got in my little Zacian tin here. If you want to see me open up these Sobble and Grookey tins, then keep on watching. Today I'm going to be unpacking the Pokemon trading card game Grookey tin. When I started playing Sword and Shield, I chose Grookey as my starter. So I got this today at Target for 20 bucks. And let's unpack this. We're going to have our Rillaboom V. So that is what you can see from the window on the tin, so that's not a big surprise. And it comes with 5 booster packs. So we're gonna get started with the XY Evolutions. So XY Evolutions is all reprints of the original Pokemon cards. So here we have Ghastly, Caterpie, Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz, a holographic Dugtrio, Gyarados, which I haven't had before. I had to restart my entire Pokemon card collection because I had years and years ago given my original collection to my cousin, so I restarted. So I didn't have a Gyarados, so I'm glad that I have one. Haunter, a flying Pikachu, which, if I remember correctly, this one was a little bit more rare, and a coughing, and then you have another card. Each booster pack comes with one of these cards, so you can play the trading card game online, but you do have to have an iPad, like a newer iPad that runs on the new iOS systems. So I can't play it, but I do collect them for one day that I can. Next up, we have one of the Sword and Shield booster packs with Gigantamax Snorlax on there. So in this pack, we have Minccino, Chinchou, Croagunk, Galarian Meowth, Scorbunny, another Chinchou, but this one is hollow, Galarian Berserker, and this one has hollow on the picture card, Fighting Energy, Crushing Hammer, Switch, and Ferrothorn. For the next Sword and Shield booster pack, we've got Gigantamax Lapras, so we'll check out what's in this one. In this pack, we have Ferroseed, Goldeen, Roselia, Joltik, Silicobra, Blipbug, which is hollow, Lapras, Fire Energy, Eldegoss, Energy Search, and Quick Ball, which this is the ball that I use the most in Sword and Shield. Next up, we have Cosmic Eclipse, which features Solgaleo and Lunala on the cover. In this pack, we have Tangela, Duskull, Tympole, Piplup, Cosmog, Pangoro, which is hollow, Armaldo, Fire Energy, Lily's Full Force, End's Resolve, and Larvesta. And for the final booster pack that came in this tin, we have the Sun and Moon Burning Shadows featuring Ho-Oh on the cover. In this pack, we have Rhyhorn, Ralts, Tangela, Tynamo, Crabrawler, Passimian, which is hollow, Electros, Fighting Energy, Charmeleon, Whirlipede, and Wobbuffet. So those are all of the cards that I got in my Grookey tin. Today I am unpacking the Sobble Pokemon Trading Card Game tin. So the card that you can see from the front window is Inteleon. And in the tin we get 5 booster packs. So we've got 2 Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and XY Evolutions. So I like to start with the XY Evolutions. These ones are reprints of the original styles of the trading card game. So in this pack I have Fighting Energy, Staryu, Tangela, Rattata, Weedle, Electrode, which is hollow, Beedrill, De-Evolution Spray, Nidorino, and Slowbro Spirit Link. Next up we have Sword and Shield with Gigantamax Lapras, so let's check out what's in this one. Alright, in this pack we have Mudbray, Hoothoot, Pincurchin, Vulpix, Nickit, Munna, which is hollow, Lapras, very cool, Electric Energy, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball, and Mantine. For the second Sword and Shield booster, in this pack we have Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray again, Nickit again, Noctowl, Fighting Energy, Big Charm, Seaking, and Thwackey. Next up we'll do Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. In this booster pack we get Togedemaru, Wimpod, Alolan Vulpix, Meowth, Riolu, Noibat, which is hollow, Darkrai, very cool, that has a hollow photo on there, Steel Energy, Potown from Alola, Ribombee, and Curlia. And last up, we have Cosmic Eclipse from the Sun and Moon collection. In this pack, we have Rowlet, which is my fiance's favorite Pokemon. He loves it. Phantump, Alolan Grimer, Magnemite, Eevee, Ultra Necrozma. Oh my god, I am so excited about that. And it's holo. Very, very cool. Alolan Sandslash, Dark Energy, Pyroar, Hakamo-o, and Rotom! Alright, so those were the cards I got from my booster packs that were in the Sobble trading card game tin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and remember that you are clearly beautiful.